So, welcome to Kolkata and how your experience coming to Kolkata and participating in this marathon?
Is Kolkata. I come 3 times. I start in Kolkata 2023, and then 2024 is 2025. That was Kolkata. Is nice city. I love in Kolkata people. Kolkata is so beautiful. It's of course is nice, but small one hills. It's nice. And then I ran in Kolkata 2023 my PB. This year is also good, but last year is no good. It's no. I like it. I like it, Kolkata.
Your running journey, how it all start? Somebody inspired you to run?
Yes, I starting in. I look in Haile Gebrselassie. Is my book is before I learn in school. My book is in the picture of Haile Gebrselassie, and then I looking. I ask my father ask, "What's your favorite after you learning?" I says, "Oh, I like running." Yeah, I start is in junior in school. Yeah.
In this journey, running journey competition, which is the most memorable moment for you?
I ran in many marathons and many 10K, 15K, cross country. But for me, the good, the first of all, Dubai is I changed my life, and then I ran my second time in 2005, and then last race is for me the good in Berlin, because Berlin I ran my PB 203. In the for history is I ran in is Berlin 15 years is celebrating is so nice.
So, who is your favorite runner? If you could talk about this.
You know, in for track, I like in Kanensa Bekele, and then for knowledge, for systematic, I like in Haile Gebrselassie. For marathon, is my hero is Eliud Kipchoge. Yeah.
And your message to young runners, your advice to them, young runners.
Yeah. You know, the young runners is coming by step, and he likes that he run the young athlete runner in first of all in the 5,000, 10,000, and then half marathon 15K, like that 25K, and then after marathon is coming is good, but his discipline. Yeah, yes. First of all, athlete is athlete. Athlete is discipline. Athlete is like that. Every is recovery, food, massage, gym, and then training, and then after is coming is for good.
And your future plans, your future goals.
Yes, is my future. My dream is I ran world champion cross country in junior 2015 in Guangzhou, China. But now my dream is Olympic, and then the second dream is maybe in the world 7 major marathons. Maybe one marathon I am winner. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not tomorrow. Maybe it's not next. Maybe it's not last year. Maybe it's one day. One day I am winner in major marathon.